In the last video of this module, we were putting all the factors in choosing a brewhouse into a functional brewery and venue layout. I will use examples of different project layouts, traditional breweries and brew stack breweries to highlight the different solutions available. The brewery facility can be split into 3 use areas. We call it the rule of thirds for floor area. 1/3 for the brewhouse and cellar wet area, 1/3 for dry store and cool room, and 1/3 for patron and service area. The brewery wet area is the waterproof floor zone with central drainage. The placement of the equipment in this area considers the movement of grain in and out of the brewhouse, the connection of the brewhouse to the cellar tanks, and the delivery of finished beer to the consumer. That might be direct serving to tap via bright tanks, pack off to kegs, or into cans and bottles. The dry store and cool room space will be forklift and pallet jack accessible for the movement and storage of palletized goods. If you are serving direct from bright tank to tap, it greatly reduces the size of the cool room required. This allows more space for patrons in your venue. Using a brew stack brew house over a traditional brew house allows you to give more of your venue floor area over to the patron and service area, maximising the number of patrons in your venue. You should always plan for future expansion. Our projects always end up selling more beer than they expect. The limit to your output of beer is the size of your brewery cellar. To increase production, you will need to add additional fermenters or swap out the existing fermenters for bigger ones. A neat way of viewing this is that your total fermenter volume in hectolitres equals weekly ale keg production capacity. This is the end of this Spark Academy module on brewery equipment and design. Head to the Spark Academy website via the link below to download our brewery design guide and learn more about good beer and good business.